want to talk about food, of course, but I would like to talk about money and investments. So basically, people continue to ask me, Joe, I have my first money, and how can I invest it? So the real question is another one: how much did you already save for your emergency fund? Did you have already at least 1 year of your lifestyle cost already saved in a separate bank account? First question. Second question is, do you have any debts? Hmm? Third, um, okay, we can start to talk. But anyway, that's why this is one of the most common question that people used to answer me, to ask me, and I would like to reply in this live, but I would like to give more and more and more details and to talk in a more deep way during my next webinar online on January. Mm, delicious. So, how to invest? First of all, guys, if you have small money to invest, like less than 50k, 100k dollars or euro, same. The first and the most important investment in your life is yourself. Exactly. Generally, financial advisors used to say, no, you have to invest. Why you should let your money sleep in the bank account? Bullshit. Bullshit. The first money, why of course they used to tell you this because they would like to sell their services, of course. It's not because it's the truth. But anyway, let's get um, about this issue. So you need to invest first in yourself. Why? Because you need to improve your skills, your high money value skills. If today your income is like, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000, it's not about the amount, but how much you can save and you can invest. How much is the ratio from your income and the quantity of dollars of money that you can invest and save? Hmm? For example, if now you are in a situation that, if you are in a condition, I don't know if you can hear me in a good way, but please sub thumb up if it's good, my audio, my voice. But anyway, I would like to eat something, but it's more important that I would like to teach you today. So what I mean with invest on yourself. But for example, in this moment, you are investing in yourself because you are watching something that can teach you something more, and you can start to invest on yourself for free. For example, like you can start to read a book, you can start to watch any YouTube videos, you can start to join some class, some video courses, some private consulting, and basically the goal is to improve your skills. If now you are are you an employee or are you a freelancer, but your income is still low, so you cannot afford, so you cannot save a lot of money, okay, you need to improve your skills. And the most important skills that you should learn are marketing and sales. Sales and marketing. You have to start from sales. After that, you have to improve your sales skills with marketing. And after that, you can start to build your team and maybe in the future your company. But this is the healthy process to increase in a very very fast way and like an explosion in your bank account. So maybe there are a bit of loud today now. So let's talk about budget, because the hugest problem that people used to the huge mistake that people used to do is that they start to earn more, but the cost of their lifestyle is incredible, so high. Do I really would like to? I mean, for privacy reason, I cannot say the names of all these people, but I met personally thousands of billionaires, millionaires, and entrepreneurs, and very high salary people. They earn a lot of money. Their income is amazing. It's very high, higher than mine. But my net worth is so huge than theirs. Why? Because they are able to earn a lot of money, but they can't save enough. So their lifestyle cost is so high as well. So they are not able to save any coins. So, and this is why I used to tell you that you should invest first in yourself, because now you have to start how to yeah, because now you have to master the habit of saving money, how to manage money, because tomorrow, if you have to start now. I don't care about you are an employee, if you are if you have no job, if you are earning small money. It's not that issue. You have to master the habit that you have to master now, because tomorrow, when your salary will be 10 times more, 100 times more, but you still have the poor habits related on money, you will be broke at all. No way. So that's why at the end of January, wow, I love mango. I love mango. That's why on 26th of January, I will I will be live for a full day full day webinar online, available only in Asia. I mean, thank you. Bangkok, I mean Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines. Unfortunately, we can't open the Vietnam market, but we will fix it in a new next time. And I will teach you all my strategies that bring me from scratch to building multimillionaire companies, and how to build a very rich life. I will give in all this full day webinar, I will give you all my strategies, all my tools, all my tips, all my value. I started from scratch. I lost everything when I was like 28, and I rebuilt it again from zero. Now I'm here. I'm earning very good money. I'm living in a very amazing way. Maybe in my dream I can't never imagine this kind of life. I travel around Asia. Uh, I'm so free. I'm free to be everywhere, visit everywhere, living in hotel, fancy hotel, luxurious hotel. Amazing. I have several businesses, real estate, solar energy, consulting. That's why I would like to teach you everything, okay? And that's why, based on my experience, that's why I used to suggest people start from sales, improve your sales skills on studying marketing, and after that, start to build your team and maybe in future your company. Okay, that's the focus. That's the direction. This is the fast lane. Okay, so now today we are almost more than 10 minutes of live. I don't know if my voice is, because here it's a bit crowded, but I don't care. And if you have any question about that, please just comment. I don't know how to. Mm, what's this? What's that? Maybe zoning? I don't know. So unfortunately, guys, that just to answer on the question, well, I have my how to invest my first money on yourself. You are the most important asset in your life. Yourself, your skills, your personal growth, your attitude, your mindset, your money skills, your marketing skills, your sales skills. That's the most important skills that you have to master. Mm. You can, and you don't need to be rich, or you don't need to have a lot of money. No, you can find tons of contents for free. You can just visit my YouTube channel or my social media. You will find everything for free. Just take, but invest your time. And my suggestion is that all the time, when you, it's good in the beginning to study from free contents available online. But if you want to learn, if you want to improve your mindset, you need to start to invest monthly money on yourself. You need to pay for informations, okay? And because if something is free as value, its value is zero, okay? But when you invest your money in this training course, in this book, in this something, your mindset completely changed. Okay, so you change your the goal. Now I have to recover this money. Now I have to learn in a more fast way this kind of skills. Okay, in order to have a huge ROI, return on investment. Okay, so I think that for today it's enough. Let me have this lunch. So save money, guys. Follow me in the next videos. I will be back.